my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a few things that I got from BZZAGENT. And another thing, I'm not sure if it's from BZZAGENT or what. It just has my PO box and that's it, so I don't know. So here are both of the packages from BZZAGENT. So I will open this one first. So it comes with a card and a product in there. Oh, I remember now. So I got this Estee Lauder little sample, the Advanced Night Repair, and I had already received this from Influencer a few months ago. And then the other day when I was on Instagram, I saw a post asking if we wanted to try out one of these, and I just said yes because I liked it and I didn't want to buy the whole thing, so I got another sample. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to open the BZZAGENT packages here, and I'm going to start off with the smallest one. I don't even remember what this is. So it comes with a paper and it just explains how to review this product. And here is the product. They sent me the Ultra Calming Serum Concentrate Skin Soothing Gel by Dermalogica, and it's this one right here. I've never tried anything from them, so I'm super excited to try this out. I'm glad that it says ultra calming because I do have very sensitive skin. Ultra Calming Serum Concentrate, the solution for skin sensitivity. The super concentrated serum helps calm, restore, and defend sensitized skin. Our exclusive Ultra Calming Complex contains oat and botanicals to ease sensitization. Anyways, here is the bottle right here. And I'm not sure if this is a full size or not, but I think it is. I'm super excited to try this out. Oh, that's interesting. So that's what the tip looks like. It just smells clean. I'm not gonna show you guys the product because I don't want to waste it. If you guys don't know what BZZAGENT is, it's exactly like Influencer. It's completely free to sign up, so I will have the link in the description box so you guys could go sign up. And let's see, the next product, I don't know what this is either. So this one also comes with a paper of how to review the product. It comes with this little box here. So they sent me the Origin Skin Sync Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, and it's this one right here. So I'm super excited for this because I want to try more moisturizers, and I did get an Origins moisturizer a while back from Influencer and I really liked this, so I'm super excited to try this one out now. Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, a wake-up call for tired skin. This advanced lightweight oil-free moisturizer with energy boosting ginseng and coffee rapidly perks up dual lackluster complexions. It instantly infuses skin with refreshing hydration, while our innovation Hydra Hug technology helps skin cells lock in and maintain healthy moisture levels so you look radiant and rested. No espresso necessary. Avoid eye area. And here it is. It's very pretty. It's like plastic. And I am going to open it since I do have to review it. It smells like vanilla and orange. It smells really good. So that's what it looks like. It's just like a white cream. So I'm super excited to try this out, and I guess I'll try this out tomorrow morning because this is a morning cream. So here is the Origins card right here, and it just tells me how to use it. It says, after serum, gently pat, don't rub, a small amount of moisturizer onto face until fully absorbed. A little goes a long way. Use day and night as part of your daily routine. Okay then, so I am going to be using this at night as well because it says that I can. Anyways, that is everything that I got from BZZAGENT and that sample from Instagram. I'm really happy that I got all of this for free. So if you guys haven't tried BZZAGENT, make sure to go check them out. They send out a lot of stuff. Like, it depends what you click on. You have 4 options, and I clicked on beauty, food, pets, and I believe travel. I'm not sure. I think I clicked on travel. So I've been getting a lot of food for me and snacks for my hairy children and beauty stuff. They sent me this huge perfume right here, and I really like it. They sent me this a couple of months ago. I keep it in the box because the box is pretty, and where I live it's really dusty, so I don't want it to get dusty. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if